And a pro-reproductive rights organization files a lawsuit against the state of Tennessee. This comes days before a new law goes into effect that would make it a crime to transport a minor across state lines for an abortion. Our WREG's Brian Didlake spoke with the nonprofit behind that lawsuit, who says this bill has untold complications.
This opens up a can of worms that I don't know that we really are paying attention to.
Cherie Scott is the founder and CEO of Sister Reach, a pro-reproductive rights nonprofit behind this lawsuit. It's requesting the courts to declare an abortion trafficking bill unconstitutional or temporarily restrain it from going into effect July 1st. Signed into law this past month by Tennessee Governor Bill Lee, a person could face a misdemeanor or 11 months in jail for taking a young person to get an abortion either within or beyond state lines.
How would you know that that child is going to get an abortion and who I am in relation to that child unless you stop us?
Scott says the potential for government overreach worries her, saying this type of decision needs to be left to that young person and or their parent or legal guardian if they're not emancipated.
In the lawsuit, I saw that there were some inconsistencies that you all were worried about. Can we go into those?
So one inconsistency that we are seeing, unfortunately, is it's a little bit too gray.
In the 40-page lawsuit, Scott and her co-plaintiff, a nonprofit based out of Illinois, says it's in the gray area that could cause discriminatory practices for enforcement. According to the law, a parent must give written and notarized consent to travel for an abortion.
We appreciate, to a certain extent, that a child can be given consent to go across state lines, but then that's yet another hurdle that that child has to overcome.
Possible hurdles: young people who come from various backgrounds, whether they be unhoused, queer, or of color.
Many times for some children that could mean that they could be made homeless. Who's going to be there to navigate the conversation between parent and child if that child was trying to do that secretly, right? These are still real realities.
Now, we did reach out to the state's Attorney General's office for comment on this, but at this time have not heard back. However, for Scott, she says that she will be consulting with her legal team on next steps, saying that they're trying to find new ways to tackle this piece of legislation. We're in downtown Memphis. Brian Didlake.